It's time for another Safe and Sane demo for you. But before we get to the firework, he's up over here. Say hello to the one, the only, Sergeant Pyro. Sergeant Pyro, what do we got tonight?
We got Enterprise, also known as the Big E.
Ah, and who's it from?
Santan Fireworks.
Santan Fireworks. Santan Fireworks is the best and the #1 place in Arizona for all your safe and sane firework needs. And Sergeant Pyro knows that BBQ Rando gets 95.9% of all his safe and sane fireworks from santanfireworks.com. They are all over Arizona, 40+ locations, twice a year seasonally. And if you go to their website, santanfireworks.com, you can see the locations. They're also in New Mexico and down on the Yuma, Arizona, California border. Go to santanfireworks.com today for a location nearest to you. Woo! All right. So what's great about having these fireworks and having Sergeant Pyro as a 3-decade veteran, we got some serious power in the Enterprise, don't we, Sergeant Pyro?
Yes, we do.
All right. So let's check and see here if we got a performance. And we're going to zoom in. There it is. So it says red, yellow, white flash, blue, green, pine needles, harmonized with silver showers, capped by exploding flowers finale. All right. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. You can see the Enterprise. Beautiful, beautiful ship. All right, we got some planes above it burning.
See ya.
Yeah, bye. Do a little Kim Kardashian there. There we go. All right, we are back. So, Sergeant Pyro, are you ready to head out to the straight
Yes,
pad?
sir.
Let's go! All right, the Enterprise is ready to be launched. Sergeant Pyro, go! I am really curious. And by the way, you can get these on all the santanfireworks.com assortments. Hey, that's happening.
Yes, it is.
And people always ask me, why Santan Fireworks? This is why. You know what? The Enterprise, you've done it again. BBQ! Smoky.